Hey guys,
Welcome to the Seabourne's kitchen. Today we will be cooking.
curry turkey neck along with chicken feet, and we'll show you guys the process in a few.
So this will be Jamaican style, and stay tuned. So right now the chicken feet and the turkey neck is already cleaned, and now we'll be pouring some Carl's white vinegar onto it to take away the rawness.
So we have turkey neck along with the chicken feet and some seasonings such as thyme, 3 cloves of garlic, half of chopped onion of scallion, 2 stalks of scallion, and salt to taste along with crushed seasoning on top. And now we're about to mix, or I leave it to marinate at least half an hour to an hour. So we tip a little oil, then we used half pack of curry, and now the curry is burned. So we're going to now we are going to add the chicken feet along with the turkey neck. So we're going to let it fry a bit before we put some water in it. We're just adding enough water to cover the meat, and now we're going to let it pressure for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll be back. So we'll be adding half of a medium sweet pepper along with 3 onions. So we're going to let it simmer down.
So here is the results. I am so happy with how it came out. We also added a tomato roll.